So, we have a MacBook that won't turn on. This is a button, nothing happens. Battery flashes, but that's it. Green light, but it won't work. So, I might have a solution for you guys. Possible solution for this problem could be quite simple, which is disconnecting, connecting the battery. So, I'm gonna show you how to do this. So, you have to do, remove the back cover. There's nothing hard really. Just unscrew these screws. Don't forget the order they go in. I usually put them almost the same place they go in the cover, just to not forget where and what goes. It's not hard to follow. There you go. This is the battery connector, which we need to disconnect. Let's use some tool to help us out. There you go. Let's discharge the laptop completely, just in case. Press a few times the power button. Let's plug in the battery back in.